Welcome to our adventure into the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're going to learn all about AI and how it's like having a helpful friend in our daily lives. Let's start by understanding what artificial intelligence, or AI, really means.
Alright class, who can tell me what artificial intelligence is?
Artificial intelligence is when machines or computers can think and make decisions on their own.
Exactly. It's like having a smart robot friend who can help us with different tasks.
Now, let's see how AI quietly makes our lives easier every day. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa can answer our questions and help with tasks. Interactive toys can talk and play games with us, while smart devices like cameras and thermostats use AI to recognize faces and adjust settings. Imagine AI as a helpful friend who understands what you need and helps you in various ways.
Just like friends learn from each other, AI can learn from us. It can also make simple decisions and assist us with information or tasks, just like a good friend would.
For young learners like you, AI can be a fun companion in your educational journey. AI can create games and stories that adapt to your level of understanding, making learning more enjoyable and exciting.